In this video, I want to show you guys and let you listen to the voice samples of the automatic text-to-speech voice from Vidnami. So I'm in Vidnami as of right now. I'm paying about 50 bucks per month to use this software, and in today's video, I want to give you an insight into the software, specifically the voices. So I've already done a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Vidnami. If you want to watch that, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below if you want to check that out. For now though, let's take a look at the voices. So basically, if I go to edit and then I'll go to voice, we can click on auto voice, and this is where you can find the text-to-speech voices from Vidnami. Now you can see that I've put in a script, so this is like a full script for the video itself. If you go to voice and then auto voice, you can choose any of these voices and it's pretty much going to read out that text aloud. You can see there is 6 voices for USA, 4 for the UK, and then 4 for Australia. So all of these are in English, of course. It's just a matter of like the accent. So for example, let's listen to this one.
Hi, my name is Heidi and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Alright, so that is the, let me just, yep, there we go. That is one of the voiceovers. Now we can also go with Oscar, which is a male.
Hi, my name is Oscar and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Okay, so as you guys can tell, these are not the best voiceovers out there, but they're not the worst either. That's my opinion, of course. However, I'm using different softwares as like Speechello. That one is way better for doing professional voices. However, if you're just looking to use this, it is pretty decent. Now, I do want to show you a couple more, so let's do Kate.
My name is Kate and I would love to read the script for your video.
You can see that's a different accent, and then we've got maybe Jack.
Hi, my name is Jack and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard...
So you can really tell that it's a text-to-speech voice, which I'm personally not a great fan of. However, they're pretty decent. They're not the best and not the worst in my opinion. But hopefully that gave you a good insight into the text-to-speech voices from Vidnami. Let me know if you're going to use this for your YouTube videos or Facebook or Instagram or whatever it is that you're going to use it for. Let me know in the comments below. Please leave a like on the video. Thank you so much, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.